Okay, so I just finished installing all my plugins and I just realized that Clear by Supertone is in a trial mode. So you either had to purchase or activate it. I had to activate it because I purchased already. So I'm gonna enter the license key. I put the license key and hit activate. And what it says here, activation limit exceed, deactivate from another device. So I had to deactivate for my iMac and activate this on my mini Mac. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go back into my iMac and I'm gonna deactivate. So I'm here on my iMac. I open Clear by Supertone. I'm gonna click on the three lines here, and then I'm gonna click. Well, as you can see, this is an old version too. So I'm gonna click on deactivation, and right here, says in order to manage your device, a limitations up to 2. So that's why I can installing here because this will be number 3 on my mini Mac. So I'm gonna click deactivate, and I'm gonna just say yes, deactivate. Make sure you are online. Are you sure you want to deactivate this license? Yes, deactivate. And as soon as it's deactivated, automatically it becomes on trial mode. So it's being deactivated. So I'm going to go back into my mini Mac. I'm going to open Clear Supertone. I'm going to click on the 3 lines on the right here. I'm going to click activation, enter license key. I'm going to paste my license key, activate. And now my plugin is activated on my mini Mac. That's pretty much it. This is how you do it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I'll see you next video. Bye-bye.